Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your Sunset Ford virtual video walk around. This is the 2015 the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7166. Let's show you the exterior of this F-150, and then we're of course going to show you the interior. Take notice of the exterior condition, making our way up the passenger side. No dents, no dings, no scratches. This vehicle is equipped with the EcoBoost 3.5 liter V6 motor, 6-speed automatic transmission. Sunset Ford is home of warranty protection for life, which is peace of mind driving at no extra cost to you. You just get more at Sunset Ford. Take a look at the interior condition. Absolutely impeccable. No rips, no tears, no stains. All your controls are easy accessible within arm's reach. Ample legroom in the rear. If you're traveling with friends or family, you're going to drive in safety, comfort, and style. For more information on this F-150 or any other vehicles in our inventory, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, we'd love to meet you. Come on down. We'd like to say hi and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. This is Scott saying make it a great day.